Hey guys, Leela's Tools here, and today we're going to be going over my top 5 most used tools in 2021. We're a little bit late, but I wanted to get it out, so here we go. So, the tool that I used the most this year, out of anything, is definitely this Proto 10-inch adjustable wrench. This is a click stop, 250 millimeter. It's just an excellent wrench. The click stop does have this function where it sort of clicks on the teeth as you're going, so it doesn't want to reopen up. Oh, hold on, kitty at the door. You want in? No, he doesn't want in. This one's very worn. It doesn't really do that much, but this is just a nice wrench. It's smooth. It feels good in the hand. It's very cold out right now, so it's freezing. And so many times you need an adjustable wrench. You put it on the back of a nut when you got a socket going. There's so many uses for an adjustable wrench, and this is my favorite one as of yet, and I use this tool a ton this year. Next, most used, probably actually be this Milwaukee drill. This is the 2801. This is not a fuel, but it is brushless. Just a 1/2-inch drill driver. It's been well used. I have more powerful drills, I have more compact drills, but this is sort of my beater drill, and it's been put through the ringer. I've bored out holes in dirt with this. Used it a ton with my wire brush you can see over there. It just goes. You can run whole batteries through this thing, the wire brush, whatever you're doing. Put another one on, this thing doesn't overheat. It doesn't jam up. The chuck is good. It locks down. I'll show you real quick. And I'll give you one quick tip here. If you guys don't know this, and most of your ratcheting chucks on your quality drills, so you ratchet it down. Okay. Now, if you don't, sometimes you go and you still lose your bit. Turn this back a 1/2 turn, you'll hear it. You hear that? Now it's locked. So that's one tip I can give you when using a drill. But it's an excellent drill. I got this in a kit with a battery and a charger for 99 bucks. If you can find it for a similar price, I wouldn't hesitate. It's an excellent drill driver. And Kitty wants to say hi. Hello. My next most used would, not this whole set here, but this year I picked up some of these wood bits, Countersink bits. So what this is for is when you're drilling, it drills a little pilot hole and then it does a countersink, a little chamfer on your hole. So when you have a screw like this, you put it into the wood, this countersink, and it just fits nice in. When you're working on softer woods, well, and harder woods, things that like to split and crack and the like, you have to be careful. If you're just doing rough construction, it doesn't matter. But if you're trying to put something together, make it look nice, use that. Get all your screws, nice and straight. Get them all the same depth. Works great. This was a really cheap set, and I got this one here. This is a DeWalt. It's got this strange pointed bit on it. The drill, it doesn't seem to drill as well as a standard drill, but the countersink function is very nice. Easy. It's got many more flutes on it. So there's that. And well, I suppose that's not a tool, but I did use a label maker a lot this year. Next most used would be my Vessel JIS number 2. It's held up well. I've used it a lot. What, Kit Kit? What? He's up on top of the shop door right now. You can put this down, and it has the action of a hand impact driver. If you whack this, it turns. There's a mechanism inside the handle here. But I just use this for almost any Phillips task I have. It fits great, works great, and yeah, my go-to screwdriver. It's awesome. And last but not least, certainly not least, As sorry, as Doc from Last Best Tools said, pliers of the decade. These are the Knipex twin grips. They have the vampire engineer style grabbing jaws at the top for being able to grab screw heads like so. That is rock solid. You know, you could put this into wood holding it with these. It holds that well. Lots of different grabbing profiles. It's got sort of a Knipex crowbar style, and yeah, just real nice pliers. They held up well. No problems with the teeth as of yet. Yeah, there they are. Model number on those guys. So yeah, those are my top 5 most used tools of 2021. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did and you're new, subscribe and like and comment and whatnot. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy.